Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the importance of your personal credit score when trying to obtain a mortgage. First, let's talk about what is a credit score. It's a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. The score can range between 250 and 900, and generally speaking in the Canadian market, a score of greater than 680 is considered a good credit score. Lenders will use this credit score when evaluating you as a borrower, so it's very important to maintain a good credit score if you want to access the widest variety and the lowest cost loans and other credit products that are available in the market. Who keeps your credit score? There's two main credit reporting agencies active in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. They're global companies that operate in Canada. They maintain a record of your credit history, so all the lenders out there that provide credit cards and mortgages and other types of loans report into these credit reporting agencies, and they aggregate that data. And so they monitor your debt amounts, the utilization of those debts that you have, and your payment history. How often you pay, how much you pay, do you make your minimum payments, have you ever missed payments, that sort of thing. You can check your own credit score with these agencies. You can go online and get a free report. And it pays to do that, especially before you go out to look to get a big loan, say like a mortgage, because there can be errors on there. Maybe there's a credit line that you shut down 9 months ago, but it's still on the bureau. And you can check that and you can then contact them and get that mistake fixed, because that can help your credit score and the way the lenders that you're looking to get the mortgage from view you. So lenders will check your credit bureau. It's called pull your credit. They'll pull your credit if you consent to it. They can't do that before you consent. How is the score calculated? The main credit score used in Canada is called a FICO score, and it factors in several elements of your credit history and behaviors. Your payment history is weighted 35%. Do you make your payments on time? And that sort of thing. Amounts owed, so what's the utilization of your credit facilities? If you've got, say, some lines of credit and credit cards and you have low utilization, you have a better credit score than if you have a very high utilization. The length of your credit history, if you've had one for several years, it's obviously better than if you're just newly established credit with very little history. Public records, that's things like bankruptcies and consumer proposals. They stay on your credit bureau for many years, and they weigh into the calculation as well, as do inquiries. So if you're a frequent credit shopper, every time you have an inquiry, it knocks a couple points off your score. But you should note, if you're out looking for a mortgage and there's maybe a couple different lenders that pull your credit for the same purpose, being that mortgage, within a 30 or 45-day period, it only counts as one inquiry. How important is that credit score? Well, keeping a good credit score is key to getting the best mortgage. If you can keep your credit score above 680 and hopefully even higher, if you've got a score in the high 700s or even in the 800s because you're constantly making your payments on time and you don't overutilize your credit, then you will have access to the widest variety of lenders and the lowest mortgage rates in the market. If your credit score is below 680, you are unlikely to see those best rate offers. A poor credit score, generally considered to be below 620, will reduce your options. There will be fewer lenders that will lend to you. They'll offer you higher rates and maybe even charge upfront fees and possibly even decline your application because of the low credit score. So it's very important to keep that credit score as high as possible, pay your debts on time, and just good behavior on your credit will lead to good outcomes, especially if you're looking to find a mortgage. So if you want to talk about that or any other mortgage issues, please look us up at frankmortgage.com or call us on the number on the screen. You can also scan this QR code and book an appointment at your convenience with one of our mortgage agents. Thanks for watching.